Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our UV Ultraviolet Torch. So we do have bigger and more powerful ultraviolet lights, but this is our small pocket torch version. Yeah, it's really compact, so you can fit in your pocket. The back screws off to put your AA battery in, and it's also got a clip to fix onto your belt. So yeah, you can easily get this and a couple of extra spare AA batteries in your pocket, so it'll literally last you days. So the switch is on the top. So you press it once and it stays on, press it again, it turns off. So basically, with our eyes and with a standard camera, you can only see a small portion of ultraviolet light because it's mainly out of the human sight range. So you would need a full spectrum camera to use with this to get the full benefits from it. So yeah, if you want to film in full UV, you'd need the UV torch and a full spectrum camera. So if you're interested in one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.